Everyone's talking about this 30-day winter skin ritual, but does it actually work? Or is it just another viral trend that promises glowing skin and leaves you disappointed again? In a season where our skin turns dull, dry, and lifeless, people are swearing by this simple 5-step winter ritual that supposedly brings hydration, glow, and softness back in just 1 month. So, we decided to put it to the test. For the next 30 days, we follow the viral winter skin ritual, step by step, to find out if it's really worth the hype. This is the viral 30-day winter skin ritual everyone's talking about, and by the end of this video, you'll know if it's truly a game changer or just another internet illusion. Every winter, our skin goes through its toughest test. Cold winds, indoor heating, low humidity, all of it strips away moisture from the skin's surface. What's left behind? Flaky patches, tightness, redness, and a dull tone that no foundation can hide. It's not your fault, your skin barrier just can't keep up. And that's why this 30-day ritual is designed to rebuild it, protect it, and finally let your skin breathe again. The first step, and the most underestimated one, is cleansing. Most people make the mistake of over-cleansing in winter, using foamy, stripping cleansers that leave the skin squeaky clean, but also desperately dry. In cold weather, your skin doesn't produce as much oil. Using harsh cleansers removes what little protection it has. That's why the first rule of the ritual is go gentle. Choose a hydrating cleanser, something like CeraVe Hydrating Cleanser, La Roche-Posay Toleriane, or Aveeno Oat Cleanser. These contain ceramides and hyaluronic acid that clean without stripping. Massage it in for about 30 seconds, that's long enough to lift dirt, sunscreen, and oils, but short enough to avoid irritation. Then rinse with lukewarm water, never hot. Because when you cleanse the right way, you don't just remove impurities, you prepare your skin for everything that comes next. The second step, moisturizing, is where the real repair begins. Winter air pulls water out of your skin like a vacuum. A strong moisturizer acts like a protective blanket, sealing hydration in and keeping cold air out. The key is to pick the right formula. Look for ingredients like ceramides, shea butter, and glycerin. These strengthen the barrier. The Ordinary's natural moisturizing factors are perfect. Apply your moisturizer while your skin is still slightly damp, that's when it locks in the most hydration. Think of it like sealing water inside your skin. And when you do this daily, morning and night, your skin starts to feel like itself again, calm, supple, and strong. Step 3, the one most people skip in winter, SPF. Just because it's cloudy or snowing doesn't mean UV rays disappear. In fact, snow reflects up to 80% of UV light, hitting your skin twice as hard. That's why dermatologists say SPF isn't optional, it's essential. Choose a moisturizing sunscreen with at least SPF 30. Options like La Roche-Posay and Helios or Neutrogena Hydro Boost SPF not only protect but also hydrate. This small step prevents premature aging, pigmentation, and dryness caused by winter UV. It's your invisible shield against the cold. Step 4 might seem minor, but anyone who's suffered cracked lips knows it's not. Winter lips are delicate, and once they dry out, they take weeks to heal. Use a thick, occlusive lip balm, not glossy, but protective. Look for lanolin, beeswax, or petrolatum as main ingredients. Brands like Aquaphor, Vaseline, or Burt's Bees are timeless for a reason. Apply it several times a day, especially before stepping out or going to bed. Because hydrated lips aren't just about beauty, they're a sign your skin barrier is thriving. The fifth and final step doesn't come from a bottle, it comes from within. In winter, we tend to drink less water, but hydration begins in the body. When your body is dehydrated, your skin becomes the first to show it. Try to drink at least 6 to 8 glasses a day. If cold water feels uninviting, switch to warm herbal teas or lemon-infused water. The goal is simple: keep your cells hydrated so your skin can stay plump and radiant. And remember, your skin is the mirror of your habits. When you nourish your body, your skin thanks you. After the first week, you'll notice small changes. The tightness begins to fade, and the rough patches around your nose and cheeks start to soften. After the first week, you'll notice small changes. The tightness begins to fade, and the rough patches around your nose and cheeks start to soften. In week 2, the real magic begins. Your barrier is healing. Moisture loss slows down. That dull, papery texture? It's fading. Even makeup glides better. You might catch yourself in the mirror and realize your skin looks alive again. By week 3, your skin feels comfortable, no more flakes, no more cracks. The redness that used to flare up in cold wind? It's calmer. This is where skincare meets emotion. Because when your skin feels good, you do too. After 30 days, the results are undeniable. The skin barrier is stronger. The texture smoother. The tone even. You don't feel that winter tightness anymore, just healthy, hydrated comfort. And the secret? Consistency, not perfection. Simple steps, done daily. This 30-day ritual isn't about chasing perfection, it's about slowing down. Taking 5 minutes each day to care for the skin that carries you through the seasons. Because in the end, glowing skin isn't about the products you use, it's about the kindness you show yourself. So, does this 30-day winter skin ritual actually work? Absolutely, if you stay consistent. Now it's your turn. Try it for 30 days. Cleanse, moisturize, protect, and hydrate, and share your results below. And if you love calm, realistic skincare routines that actually make sense, hit subscribe, and let's build healthy skin together.